Hello and welcome back to another video in our series on Windows 11. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to reduce the distance in between the files in Windows 11 whenever you are browsing your folders. Now, in a previous video where I go over the differences between Windows 11 and Windows 10, I mentioned that there's no way to change the distancing between these files. And previously there was not. However, Microsoft has released an update that now allows you to remove the distance between the files so it is more like Windows 10, Windows 7, and so on. Now, just for clarification, let me bring up a Windows 10 window, which is right here, and this is the same window that we have brought up for Windows 11, and you can see the distancing between the files is different. The reason for that is because Windows 11 was made with touchscreens in mind, so it's a lot easier to select different files without accidentally selecting other ones. That's why the spacing is between the files. But if you are using a Windows 11 machine as a desktop computer or a workspace, then you probably will find this a little cumbersome to work around. How you change this back is you go to the search icon down here at the bottom, and you are going to search in File Options, and you're going to see that it's going to come up with your match right there. Open that up, and inside of this window you are going to see a View tab, and there is going to be a toggle option right here for decreased space between items. Have that selected and hit apply, and as you can see, now the file structure has reverted back to the way that it was previously. Alright, thank you all very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, give us a thumbs up, like the channel, subscribe to us, and until next time, have a great rest of your day. Hi, I'm Kyle, owner and operator of Great Technical. Thank you all so much for making it at this point in the video, and if you are here, go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot, and it lets me know that the content I'm making is stuff that you all like to see. Go ahead, leave us a comment as well. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in the future, or if you have any future updates that you would like to have included in our products in the future. I would also like to say that being a company owner, I am very proud to be able to support businesses and students. I am also extremely proud to be able to support content creators. So if you have a content platform, you make videos, or if you have a blog and you would like to reuse some of our content, or if you would like to review some of our products, go ahead and send me an email. My email is right here, support@greattechnical.com. Get in contact with me. We can see what we can get worked out. And until next time, thank you all very much. Have a great rest of your day.